Hey fam, welcome back to my channel Update Savvy, and this is the part 1 of the PowerToys. In this video, we will look into the how to install this software and what are the requirements for it. So, Microsoft PowerToy is a setup enhancement for a Windows user, or you can say it is a set of utilities for a power user to streamline their Windows experience for greater productivity. And it is, of course, inspired by the previously, available version for Windows 95, and then which was given in the Windows XP. And after that, Windows stopped working on it. And now in the Windows 10, they again give this PowerToy facilities. So let's quickly see what is inside it and what is the meaning of it. What are the advantage of it? So first of all, this PowerToy is the free version. So you can free software. It has an open source, so you can download the code from here. So you can clone and download it, and then you can go below. You can see the Microsoft is given as a contributor. You can contribute towards their code, and if you find some bugs, so you can report to them. And also you can go up and see what are the requirements to download this software. So if I go and see, this is requirements for is like you must have the Windows 10. Of course, the build will be 1803 or later, and you need .NET Core 3.1. So if you directly click on this link, so you can go directly there and download it from there. So see the setup of it. I'm just going to download it. So you can go here, downloading and release note. I'm going just to click right here and see. So this is the latest version of PowerToy. Is a release 0.18.1, which is just a 9 day ago, and this is the preview version. This is for the preview. It is not which is available in the store, or you cannot it is not officially launched by. It is for the preview version. So you can download it from the here, and you can also see that there are the two type of you can download the source code in the zip or in .gz format. And this is the PowerToy software, and yes. This is only available for the 64-bit machine, so you can see the name of the setup, x64. Now let's download this software and run it, and we will see how it works. So I have downloaded it system, and now let's double click on the setup file. We will see this is the and yes, this is the license. So you can see that it is a permission to hereby free to charged, and you can read if you want to see what are the MIT license, and then you can give the options like create a shortcuts. Then let's install it. So then it will take time to install because it requires you to install it as an administrator, and so now you can see it is installed. The setup has been finished, so you can see here I just finished it, and we can find the shortcut created in my desktop. So let's open it quickly, and the thing is that it will run on the background. So when you see here, it will be run. So just let me click here. So guys, this is the first page of the PowerToy. When you open it the first time, it will require you to restart as an administrator. So now you can see it here that I'm running it as an administrator. So you can right click here also, like always run as administrator. And then there are some themes. You can do it a light mode or a dark. So now it is in the dark mode. And then you can run as a startup. So just click on or off it. If you want to always run it when you start the system. And then you have a directly button here where you can always check the updates if there is any update on it, and of course the download update in the Madrid connection. And then you can see here that directly they have given you the GitHub repository link. You can go here if you have you report any bug, if you want to report any bug request for a feature. So you can, in my next videos, I have explained all the toys one by one. So you can go and watch those videos. And thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like it, please watch and subscribe my channel.